There are many scientists on YouTube these days who say that power supply here, if you want to check the earthing of your power supply, that is earthing in your home is proper or not, to check this, you don't need to use this type of multimeter. You simply take this type of tester and check the earthing through this tester. Now let's understand through this tester how you will check the earthing. So now the new scientists say that in this power socket you should connect the tester with the power socket's earthing pin. I have connected it here. Switch will remain on. After switching on, you have to take a wire. Now take one end of this wire and connect it to the phase terminal of this socket like this. Now take the other end of this wire and connect it to the pin on top of the tester. When we touch here, the tester glows. So instead of touching, you simply have to touch this wire in this way. And by touching in this way, your tester will glow. 1 minute, the tester is not connecting properly. I will do it right here. So you can see here that the tester is glowing. So they say that if you want to check the earthing, you simply have to connect your wire to the phase supply, and after connecting it to the phase supply, connect your tester to the earthing, and after this take your wire and connect it to your tester in this way. In this way, if the tester glows in this condition, you can say that your earthing is correct, and if the tester does not glow in this condition, you can say that earthing is improper or faulty. Friends, do not trust the tricks of these electrical scientists on YouTube. They say that you can check the earthing through your tester. That is a completely wrong way to check. The problem with checking the earthing through a tester is that first of all, you have a high chance of getting an electric shock. If you connect this wire to the phase supply and connect this to the earthing, and if you accidentally touch this wire or connect it to this, then you will get an electric shock. The second thing here is that you can never check the earthing through a tester. What I do at the moment is that I connect this tester to the phase supply, and after connecting it to the phase supply, if I touch it here, my tester will glow. So if I touch on this tester, the tester has started glowing here. So according to all the scientists, if your tester glows, it means that your earthing is correct. At the moment, if I touch it here, my neon lamp is glowing here. It means that the tester is glowing. So my hand is completely earthing. According to them, we can say that my hand is a proper earthing, and I can use my hand like earthing. I will explain this point to you in another way. So at the moment, I have put this water pump on the ground. There is no wire connected to it. I just kept it on the ground. After putting it on the ground, I connected the tester to the socket here, and I connected this wire to the tester pin. Now the earthing wire of this socket is completely open. You can see it is open here. I will put this wire here now. After this, I take this wire here and connect it to the phase supply terminal of this socket in this way. Now I will do one thing. I will take this earthing wire and touch it here. Is the light glowing? The tester is slightly glowing now. You may not be able to see it in this video. So I take this wire and touch it with the motor body. You can see that if I connect the earthing wire to the motor body, the tester is glowing here. So the tester is glowing at the moment. But the problem here is that my motor is only touching the ground. That means there is no proper earthing. So the problem here is that I have not completely did earthing of this motor. That means I just kept it on the ground. In this condition, my tester started glowing. That means according to them, if the tester is glowing, then there is a proper earthing. Can you say that just by putting the motor on the ground, there is proper earthing? No, this does not happen. So friends, I am just trying to explain to you that if your earthing got cut somewhere in the middle, and after being cut, if your earthing is connected to the ground, then in this condition, if you put your tester and check it through the phase supply, then your tester will start glowing. So if earthing is not proper in your home, then your tester will glow in this condition too. So whenever you want to check your earthing, always use a multimeter for this. I have already made a video on how to check earthing through a multimeter. If you want to watch that video, then click on the video on the right side and watch this video. You will learn a lot through this video. Thanks for watching this video.